Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So again the repetitive hi hello. कैसे आप लोग? बाकी सब ठीक? मेरे हाथ अजीब क्यों लग रहे? I don't know. So guys, today it's like the golden hour and I'm like okay, I look good, baby girl, I look good. So I don't know where that attitude came from. So guys, today I would be doing this very small like very small haul. कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने देखे थे कप्स एंड लैशेस से, स्पेशली देयर पॉट्स. आई वाज वेरी ईगर टू बाय कि चलो यार ट्राई कर दे एटलीस्ट, लेट्स सी what it is. So I bought a little stuff from Amazon and a little stuff from Cups and Lashes. So and here and there stuff from Topshop too, because I promised you all for a haul and I didn't do it. Now I'm doing it with all combined. So I hope you all have no problem with that. I hope you all just settle with a little bit more product that I got from everyone. So if you want to see what I got and what I buy from my own money, my own goddamn money, then keep on watching. And before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because yeah, I'm weird, I'm crooked, I do much better. And if you love to enjoy this look, this is the New Year's look that is gonna go before this, I guess. I don't know when I'm gonna be uploading it. Let's be honest, it's exam time for me. I'm still a student. It's exam time for me, so I don't know when it's gonna be uploaded. But please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell, because I don't know when it's gonna ping and I'll be there for you. Hi, hello. Okay, so let's just start. Enough. So let's start with the star of the show for me. That is the crock pots. I bought two shades. The first shade is pure white because I wanted to use it as my eyeshadow base. As Nidhi Katyal said that कि ठीक है eyeshadow base भी use कर सकते हैं. I was like okay, let's try it. And the second one is in shade number 8 actually. I thought this matched me pretty well and I don't want it कि पूरे face को cover कर. I want more of it for spot concealing use कर, क्योंकि yeah, there are few spots. I'm like okay. So I got it in shade number 08. I don't know what the shade name is. So the shade number 08 and the shade number 01, and they're so pretty. It's like the top is really cute. It's really cute, and all the product is really cute. So next उसके बाद मैंने कुछ लिपस्टिक्स मंगवाई थी नायका से. It was on their sale kind of, because I got this lipstick from Nykaa. Yes, I got this because it was a long time ago. The sale was in I think November, last November में था sale. So I got 3 shades. I got 3 shades. This is I have used it a lot. This is shade number 691, Rich Ruby. This is like orangey kind of red. I don't want to do swatches because that's complete waste. This is shade number Toasted Brown, shade number MUN11. So this is the shade, and this is more or less kind of a nude shade, and this is from their like the Power Matte component. And this one is again with this one as in I got both of them for like 200 rupees or something. This is shade number 660, Touch of Spice. This is my favorite one. This is like I would love this, and this smell like plastic. So yeah, that's great. So this I bought from Nykaa. Okay, let's be clear. This I bought from Nykaa, and that I actually bought from Cups and Lashes. And there are a few products that I bought from Cups and Lashes along with that. So starting with where it is. You know when your whole desk is a complete and utter mess and you don't know where all your products are, but you still want to do a haul for everyone who is waiting. So yeah, I'm in that kind of situation. So next is eyebrow pencil. This was from Mars and this was quite inexpensive. I usually go for Swiss Beauty because I love the shade. This is also kind of like, yeah, this was a worse one. So yeah, this is black. Let's see how it works because I'm not so sure. My brother interrupted me, so he's the culprit, I'm not. And guys, I got a Wi-Fi. I got my Wi-Fi because मैं ऐसी जगह पे रहती हूँ जहाँ पे Wi-Fi नहीं लगता. So yeah, I got a Wi-Fi and I'm so happy. let's not cry on the Wi-Fi especially, and let's continue where I was. Okay, the eyebrow pencil was done, and after that there are a few products that I again got from Cuffs and Lashes. These were these like, let me, these yeah, you can see it now. These were these like eyeliner stick kind of stuff, because मेरे पास में ऐसे कोई एकदम बिल्कुल sharp type का eyeliner नहीं होता, because I would love to do cut creases with these liners and with glitters. So yeah, $50. It was for like $50, I guess. So this was the second product, and I bought a brush from Cuffs and Lashes because they had a sale of around 50% off on उनके brushes पे. So I was like, okay girl, I want that, I need that. So you know everybody like spoolie brushes are the must, because मेरे पास बहुत टाइम तक spoolie brush था, and Amazon पे every spoolie brush is like 250 rupees. I'm like, why would I pay 250 rupees for something it's so small? So I got it for like 50% off. So this is the spoolie in one side and the brush in the other side. Okay, so if you can see, I'm not happy with the brush. Let's make it very clear, because the bristles are falling. Let me see. These are the cheap brushes that I got from like Amazon or something, or there is not even a single thing that is coming out of this brush. And this brush, it is new. मैंने एक बार भी इसको use नहीं किया अभी तक. So yeah, now it doesn't stop, because उस टाइम जब मैंने इसको obviously packaging से निकाला, like okay, I'm very excited about this brush. This is a little bit thick than that of me, but I was like, okay, let's get excited about that. And soon after that I realized okay, this is not good. I'm sorry, but no, this is not good. I think this one is the bad batch one or something. I do believe that her products are very good, and I'm so sure that she would have a quality control on everything. I'm not bashing Nidhi Katia in anything, but maybe I got a bad batch. That's all I can say. The spoolie is nice. The spoolie is soft. I have one more spoolie. So yeah, this one is much more softer than your traditional one. So yeah, that is what I like in the product. So this was, like, I'm not bashing her, okay, let's be clear about that. I'm not bashing her product or her brand, because I love Nidhi Katia. I have watched almost all her videos, and getting this, you can see, I'm frankly not happy, but yeah, okay. This is a never ending cycle, but maybe she had some problem with this batch, so I am not condemning her. Don't come for me and don't come for Nidhi Katia, because I love her to bits, and her makeup product, you can see how much I love her, because I bought her liner. I was eyeing this liner from a lot of time. I know she introduced like color liner. I wanted to buy it, but let's be honest, I don't have the budget for that. Right now, I have a lot of more products that are coming actually. So this is the black matte liner of her. I don't have used, I just have swatched it. So yeah, this is the swatch, if I can swatch. So yeah, this is the, yeah, it smells like paint. I would not, are you kidding me? Oh. Yeah, I am the most, let's leave it with that. So this is the swatch of her. She told it matte. Is it matte, or it's just my mind is just boggling me out. Yeah, this is matte. This is matte. So let's swatch all the lipstick. Why not? So this is the shade Touch of Spice. This is the shade Rich Ruby, which I have used in the tutorial itself. And the third one is the shade Toasted Brown. I love this shade. This is like, so these are the three shades that I love, and I think one or two more products are left, so hang tight. So I was seeing a very much hype about like liquid blush from a lot of time, and frankly they were out of my pricing because they were quite expensive, yeah. And I was like, okay, finally it was a miracle with my family and me going to a lot of like shadi and function ki mujhe thode income hui, you know. So I bought this blush. This is O2O blush in shade number 05. I was looking at the blush shades and I was like, okay, I'm excited about only one shade, that is shade number 05. 06 was also really nice. You can go for 06. So yeah, this is the shade and it is quite liquidy and I would say it is pigmented, but yeah, it blends in my hand beautifully. Yeah, you have to like again my pinching brother irritated the shit out of me. So yeah, this was the blush shade and the final product is this. I'm so excited about that, you would not believe. I'm a big fan of her content and everything, and I was like, when she launched this, I was like, okay, this is for like 2000 rupees I guess. I was like, I can't. Look, let's be honest here, nobody, I don't think I can. One day I will, but not right now. So yeah, this is actually one shade was broken, this shade, the shade number Dreams. Rest, yeah, you can see my dirty one. And this is, he's so irritating, you won't believe it. So yeah, this is the palette. I would be doing a full on review on this and be talking about the pros and cons. I know it's a very old palette, but this was again for 50% off. Can you believe it? This palette was for 50% off. So yeah, that's why I bought it. Let's be honest, that's why I bought it. So guys, this was all that I bought from Cuffs and Lashes, Amazon, everything. And I hope you all like it. It is a non-stop. I just want to make some rhyme with that. So I got a lot of stuff. I spent a lot of money because if you think like, okay, 4 cheezein, but everything was like 350 or 400. So 4 cheezein, like, okay, she spent more than 3,000 bucks. That's me. And if you are seeing for me for the first time and you think like, okay, she's really weird, and if you like it, please join the company and I would love for you to join. Please don't forget subscribing to my channel, and it's late, but the golden hour is still here and I like it. I will be doing a lot of photo shoot. You can follow me, okay? This is not my real that was like, this is not my real voice, okay? This is my real voice. I was just acting a little bit. Don't be offended if anyone has that ringtone or something. No, it's not called ringtone. It's called tone or something. So yeah. My brother is so irritating. He's just sitting right next to me and I can't help it. So yeah, I hope you all like it. I hope you all enjoyed it and I will be seeing you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enjoy the New Year's. Happy New Year's to all of you. I think the New Year's will be 2 or 3 days before. So yeah, Happy New Year and enjoy the time, enjoy your day, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.